Imagine you leave your phone on the table for just a second. A private message or sensitive 2F code pops up, and anyone nearby can read it without even unlocking your device. It's a massive privacy leak that most people ignore. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide that sensitive content from your lock screen while still keeping your notifications, so your business stays your business. And it's very easy to set up on your Android phone. What you want to do is open settings, and under settings you want to look for notifications. Scroll till you find notifications and tap on it, and you want to scroll a little on notification. You will see notification on lock screen. Tap on this. Now on this page you want to scroll down a little. You will see show sensitive content. You can go ahead and toggle off in this section, and sensitive content will no longer display on your lock screen. Anytime you try to view a notification, you need to unlock your device to do so. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.